all right. Karan Johar.
Karan Johar.
Excuse me.
But it-
I think it was way ahead of its time. It talks about a topic that is looked down upon. It talks about extramarital affairs, and I think it's a.
So, अगर कोई मौका दिया जाए इस डायरेक्टर के साथ, अब मुझे काम करना है यार, पहले टॉप लिस्ट में कौन है आपके?
ओह वाओ, बहुत सारे लोग हैं, बहुत सारे डायरेक्टर्स हैं. मुझे सारे ही डायरेक्टर्स के साथ काम करना है. But I really want to work with Imtiaz Ali. I want to work with Kiran Rao. I really want to work with Vinod Chopra, Sanjay Leela Bansali. There's this director called Chaitanya Tamhane. I'm such a huge fan of his. I really, really want to work with him. It's one of my dreams to work with him. And I think Zoya Akhtar. I really want to work with her as well. And who else is there? All right. Karan Johar.
Karan Johar.
Excuse me.
बट एक बार आपने काम किया है ऑलरेडी
हाँ
करण
जी,
जौहर
but
के
वापस
साथ.
करना चाहती हूँ मैं उनके
हाँ,
साथ काम.
हाँ.
I think he's amazing. I love the way. I think he's Bollywood. When we talk about Bollywood, Karan Johar is what comes to my mind.
फेवरेट फिल्म है उनकी कोई आपकी? कुछ होता है, कभी खुशी कभी
कभी
गम.
खुशी कभी गम, कुछ होता है. Even Rocky Rani, I really
Yes,
enjoyed
yes, even
Rocky
I
Rani. I love Kabhi Alvida Na Kehna, not because I'm in it. Despite my keeping my scenes
Story was
aside,
good, yeah.
I really like that film also. I think it was way ahead of its time. It talks about a topic that is looked down upon. It talks about extramarital affairs, and I think it's a thing. And people are now making films about it. But when he made that film, it was very new to people. So it was way ahead of its time, I think.
या क्योंकि आपने किरण राव की बात की, you were there in you were got audition for लापता ladies and then something didn't work out. But वो पता है कब चला यार, it's not happening, and then
Around that time only, I think I gave like about 3 to 4 rounds of auditions, and I was in the top 2. The reason it didn't work out is because it was a tricky casting, because both the girls needed to look the same wearing the veil. तो वो जब वेल पहनती हैं, जब वो घूंघट पहनती हैं, उनको दोनों को सिमिलर दिखना है. तो वो बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी एक्चुअली दैट शी हैड टू कंसिडर. एंड इट्स कम्प्लीटली फाइन, क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है दैट द रीज़न आई गॉट टू ऑडिशन विथ आमिर खान एंड आई गॉट टू ऑडिशन विथ किरण राव, आई थिंक फॉर एक्टर्स getting a film or getting a project is, yes, the end goal, but even getting auditions is a big task. You know, actors don't get to audition for the biggest roles, and actors don't get to audition with the biggest actor and directors of the world. I got to audition with Amir Khan. He literally took my audition. He was the one who was giving me cues. So for me to like have that experience, I think it was it for me.
but did he compliment?
Of course, in fact, like, I did not even know he's going to take my audition. I thought, yeah, it's with Kiran ma'am. I entered the room and he was there, and I was shocked. And he's like, saw your audition. I think you're a great actor. And बस मेरा वो हो गया था. तो मुझे पता है कि even that time I was not कि ये मिलेगी ही film. Even I was like, अगर लापता ladies नहीं मिली, तो भी it's fine, because at least I got to be in the same room, and at least he got to see my performance. Like, if the next project, if there is a role for me, at least he will consider or think of me. And if he goes back to the old tapes, he will have my audition. So at least I reached Amir Khan's laptop or his room.
And he's complimenting you, man.
Yeah.
It's a big thing at the
It's a
end
big
of the
thing.
day, right?
So I think it's great, and I love the fact that Pratibha got cast for it, because I was happy about it, because she comes from the same background.